Happy VA Wednesday. So I was looking at a statistic today where I was like, wow, this is shocking and we need to change this. So the statistic was that less than 25% of people who are eligible for a VA loan choose to utilize that loan, that privilege. Yeah. So that means 75% of people who are eligible for VA are not using it. Why is that? Okay, a lot of you guys know why. Well, one of the reasons is that they don't actually know that they're eligible for it. Number two, they don't know anything about it, so they think it might be a bad thing. Number three, they hear from a real estate agent that VA loans aren't good, and they just never explore it, right? Well, that is not a good thing because VA loans are actually one of the most beneficial loans for the buyer out there. Seriously, they are. So if you guys have any friends who are eligible for VA benefits that you think may not be using them, please share this video and be like, dude, listen to her. She's gonna help you, okay? So I'm gonna tell you a couple things that make VA loans very special, okay? Number one, 0% down. Yeah, you heard me right, 0% down. So no money down when you're buying a house. Do you still need to pay for closing costs? Yes, but you do not have to have a down payment. Okay, well, no down payment. Aren't the rates really high then? No, the rates are lower than conventional loans. They should be. If a lender's higher on VA than conventional, that's always a red flag. But yeah, the rates are lower. Okay, well, zero's down, the rates are lower. Are the fees for VA really high? No, it depends on the lender, but no. I mean, the lender fees, you don't have extra lender fees because it's a VA. Now, is there a funding fee? Yes. Okay, so let's talk about that real quick. First of all, if you receive any disability payment, even if it's $26, you are exempt from the funding fee. Okay? Yeah, and a lot of people don't know that. They're like, well, I'm not 100 or I'm not 80%. It's like, you don't have to be. If you are receiving any income from a service-related disability, you are exempt from the VA funding fee. Yeah, for real. Okay, so what is the funding fee? Well, the funding fee is what the VA charges and they finance it into the loan. So if it's your first time using it, it's 2.3%. And you're like, oh, well, that's a lot of money. Okay, but let me tell you what else is special about it. So 0 down, lower interest rate, no mortgage insurance. Yeah, you heard me right, no mortgage insurance. If you're doing an FHA loan, you're paying mortgage insurance and you're paying a upfront mortgage insurance premium of 1.75%. So what mortgage insurance is it's a monthly charge every single month that you get charged. It doesn't protect you in case you can't pay your mortgage, it protects the bank. Okay, so conventional less than 20% down, FHA, any down payment amount, you're gonna be paying mortgage insurance. Okay, so no mortgage insurance on VA. Yay! Okay, what else? I might be really annoying in this video. I'm sorry, guys, but I am excited. What else is really special about it? Well, there's no loan limits, and that's a new thing, and that's very important. So I think a lot of people aren't using their benefit because up until 2020, the benefit was pretty limited in certain parts of the country. So, trying to buy a house in the Bay Area, LA, parts of New York with a VA loan, very difficult, okay? Because there was a loan limit that they had to apply to. That's gone. It's gone. As of 2020, they removed the loan limit. So we are literally doing loans up to $2 million. $2 million, guys, 0 down. Oh, that sounds so risky. It's not. It's really not. It's a federally backed loan, and we still have to qualify to make the payment. With any of this, we're always going to make sure you can make the payment as we do with any other loan. Now, the nice part about being able to do VA up to $2 million is that it has less requirements than jumbo loans, less appraisals than jumbo loans, and the rates can be better than jumbo loans, and it's 0 down, once again. And sometimes people are like, well, what if I want to do a large down payment? You can totally do a large down payment and we can math out, okay, is VA still the best option? But sometimes I'll talk to clients where they're looking in that 1.5 to 1.7 range and they have hundreds of thousands of dollars, but it's invested and they don't want to, trigger capital gains, and they don't want to take it out of what they're invested in, right? If you're invested in a private company, do you really want to take out your investment to buy a house when you can buy a house with 0 down? Why would you do that? right? It doesn't make sense. So VA has a lot of benefits to it. Now, the other thing that I hear a lot that I'm like, oh, it's so 1980, VA loans take longer. No, they don't. No, they don't. So we're fully underwriting VA loans like at the pre-approval process. So realistically, when you get into contract as a VA buyer with us, all I need is the appraisal and in certain states, a termite report in order to close your loan. That's it. So 20-day close with VA? Yeah, let's go. 25 days? Sure. 45 day? Oh my gosh, why are we waiting so long? Seriously, seriously. So the bottom line to all of this is that, look, the VA home loan is actually a great loan. What's critical is you want to make sure you're working with a lender that does a lot of VA, understands all of its magic, but also understands when it's not the right loan. Okay? Because in some cases it may not be. So that's something that we always talk about. My business is 50% VA and 50% conventional. So I have a hat on in each arena, so I can easily say, yeah, definitely do this, or maybe we should look at this too. Let's do the math against each other and see what works best for you. So before you're just pushed into an FHA or a conventional loan because someone who doesn't really do VA or know VA or care about VA, thinks that's best because they heard something, call a professional, talk with us, and let's do the math together and see what makes best sense for you and your family. So I hope this has been helpful. I am licensed in 48 states. As you guys know, I love VA. You can definitely get an offer accepted with VA. We do it every single day. They're great loans. Let's stop letting people hate on such an excellent loan product. I hope you guys are well, and I'll see you next week.